Here's a 12-inch Toastmaster box fan that I got from Kiry on the DT forums when he sold a whole bunch of fans. It's in good shape. I really like it. It's one of my favorite little box fans. So thanks for selling it, Kiry. It's got a wood grain cabinet, 3-speed, and here it is on high. Blows a lot of air. Medium. I think this is from the late 70s or early 80s. And low, where it's really quiet. Still moves some air though. It's got a pretty good spin down time for as small as it is. Spins counterclockwise. Here's the side. I like the fake wood grain on it. Looks cool. And here's the back. It's got a good powerful motor in it. And a metal rear grill, obviously. There's no rust on the fan. These little fans were nice to use in windows. Thanks for watching.